Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into Commonwealth crypto trading platform. It's a very easy and simple process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you are connected with the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. After you are in the browser, tap on this search bar and type in Commonwealth crypto login. In the search results, you will find the Commonwealth official website. Here at the top of the list, you can see the Commonwealth link. Tap on it. You will be taken to its official website. Here you can see the Start Investing option. Tap on it. Next up, you can see the 3 lines icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now select the option Login. Now you will be prompted to the login page of the Commonwealth crypto trading platform. Now scroll down. You must have already created your account before in order to log in. So if you have created your account before with your email, here you can enter your email address. Enter your registered email address over here and tap on this send link button, and you will receive the login link on your email address. As you can see, I've received the email. Open the email. Inside the email, you'll find a link, confirm your email option. Tap on it. You can connect your wallet if you want to, or skip for now. And there you go. You are now logged into your Commonwealth crypto trading platform account. So that's it. That's how you can log into Commonwealth crypto platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.